Crash course on Spanish economy. An overview of Spain's economy, including its major industries and sectors, and its role in the global economy. Certainly. Here's a crash course on Spanish economy. Spain is the 5th largest economy in the European Union and the 13th largest in the world. Its economy is heavily dependent on its service sector, which accounts for almost 70% of its GDP. Spain is also known for its agricultural sector, particularly for its production of olives, wine, and citrus fruits. One of the most interesting aspects of Spain's economy is its unique history. In the early 2000s, Spain experienced a major economic boom, driven largely by its real estate sector. However, this boom came to a sudden halt in 2008 when the global financial crisis hit, leading to a significant economic downturn. Since then, Spain has made significant efforts to recover, and its economy has been steadily growing in recent years. Now let's take a closer look at the top 12 Spanish economic sectors. 1. Tourism. Spain is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world, with millions of visitors every year. The tourism industry accounts for a significant portion of Spain's GDP. 2. Automotive. Spain is one of the largest car manufacturers in the world, with major brands such as Seat and Renault operating in the country. 3. Agriculture. As mentioned earlier, Spain's agriculture sector is known for its production of olives, wine, and citrus fruits. 4. Energy. Spain is a major producer of renewable energy, particularly wind power. 5. Pharmaceuticals. Spain has a thriving pharmaceutical industry, with companies such as Grifols and Almirall leading the way. 6. Fashion. Spain is home to major fashion brands such as Zara, Mango, and Desigual. 7. Construction. Despite the setbacks of the 2008 financial crisis, the construction industry remains an important sector of the Spanish economy. 8. Food and beverage. Spain is known for its cuisine, and its food and beverage industry plays a significant role in the country's economy. 9. Technology. Spain is home to several successful technology companies, such as Telefonica and Indra. 10. Financial services. Spain has a strong banking sector, with major players such as Santander and BBVA. 11. Aerospace. Spain is home to several aerospace companies, including Airbus Defense and Space. 12. Healthcare. Spain has a universal healthcare system, and its healthcare industry is an important sector of the economy. In summary, Spain's economy is diverse and has a strong focus on the service sector. Its unique history and recovery from the 2008 financial crisis have shaped its current economic landscape. The country is known for its tourism, automotive, agriculture, and renewable energy sectors, among others. And now, here's a poem and a song about Spain's economy. Poem. From tourism to technology. Spain's economy thrives, you see. With olives, wine, and citrus too. Agriculture is important too. The fashion, automotive, and aerospace. These industries have found their place. And with renewable energy in the mix, Spain's economy is quite a fix. Song. To the tune of La Bamba. Spain's economy, it's quite diverse. From tourism to aerospace. With renewable energy on the rise. Spain's economy is quite the prize. The fashion industry is all the rage. And agriculture has its own stage. With healthcare, construction, and more. Spain's economy is one to adore. So let's celebrate Spain's economy. It's unique and thriving, you see. From north to south and coast to coast. Spain's economy is something to boast. Asterisk, asterisk, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Spain has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Spain, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Anhub Metaverse team.